and welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I'm going to show you a quick little way to test the stretch percentage of your fabric. I use this most often when I'm looking at my back band fabric or my power net because I want to make sure that I'm getting something that's at least 50% stretch. So the first thing you're going to do is get a piece of paper and a ruler, and we're going to draw a straight line. Okay. And then I'm going to mark off a section that's 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to mark off each additional inch after that. So your fabric's going to go in the first 5 inches. And we're going to get this amount of fabric and then pull it as much as we can comfortably stretch it. If it comes to here, then it's 20%. If it comes to here, then we got 40% stretch, 60%, 80%, and 100%. So once we have this ruler, I like to tape this. I have a ruler like this taped to my sewing desk. That way I can measure the stretch percentage of my fabric at any time. Here I have some power net that I want to use for my back band. And my pattern says that it needs to have at least 50% stretch. So what I do is I hold a piece of fabric that fits between those first 2 markers that we made, the 5-inch markers, like this. And then I'm going to pull it as much as I can. So in this case, I'm probably comfortably able to pull it to 60%. So that means that this power net is 60% stretch. So it should work in my back band, which says it needs a minimum of 50% stretch. And that's a super simple way to figure out what the stretch percentage is of your fabric. I hope you found this information useful. See you next time. Take care.